For today, windy, a chance of strong thunderstorms, high 79. For tonight, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms, low 75. And on Wednesday, windy with strong thunderstorms, high 79. East winds at 70 to 90 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, strong to severe thunderstorms, low 75. North-northeast winds over 100 miles per hour. Wind gusts could reach 150 miles per hour. Total storm accumulations 16 to 24 inches. A hurricane warning, a hurricane force wind warning, a hurricane wind warning, a flash flood watch, a coastal flood watch. There is a potential of rip currents at area beaches. A high surf warning and a heavy surf advisory has been issued for our area.